So you have a small channel with less than 1,000 subscribers, and then you ask yourself, how will I make my video appear on the YouTube search? So do you cry in a sad corner of your room while eating popcorn and drinking soju? Soda. So in this YouTube SEO tutorial for beginners, I'm gonna show you how it's possible that your videos would start showing up on the YouTube search. So I'm all hyped up to talk about this strategy that you can start using so that your videos would start to appear in the YouTube search page. So what are those strategies? Coming up. So when I started getting serious about my videos roughly a year ago, I made it a decision to upload one video a week, but I do not have any idea what I'm doing. So I'm one of those content creators who would upload and pray that some miracle would happen so that people would see and watch my videos. So I always go for external views. So these are the views that you get when you promote your videos in your various social media channels. It's good if you have a big network, but the golden opportunity does not lie on promoting your own content alone. So how do you get on the YouTube search page? Enter YouTube SEO. So you're probably aware what SEO means by now. If you're a seasoned digital entrepreneur, it means search engine optimization. It works practically the same in YouTube, how it works on Google. So if you are still not aware of it, there are 5 billion people watching YouTube right now, and YouTube is the second largest search engine next to Google. So how do you make your videos appear on that very elusive YouTube search? By the way, if you're new here, this channel is all about growing your business through video. And how do you do that? By learning how to create your content and mastering the techniques on how to distribute this to your target audience. My name is Robert, and my passion is to help you reach this stage in your small business career or your freelancing careers. Okay, first you need to have a strategy in place. I always say this in most of my videos because strategy is a golden skill if you're in the digital space. So I upload videos once a week in my own niche. So we're not gonna talk about niche today, but it's practically finding what you are good at and matching that skill with content to the people who needs help in that specific space. That's your niche, so that's where you're good at. So we're gonna head onto my computer. I'm gonna show you some screenshots. I'm gonna walk you through on the practical strategies, the practical steps that you can use so that you can start showing up on the YouTube search page. So let's hit my computer. So we're here right now in my YouTube channel, my YouTube page. So the first step or the first strategy that you can use is for you to find out the most searchable topics in your niche. So I talked about niche a while ago, and let's say you are a musician, you play the guitar, and what you're doing on your YouTube channel is you want to teach people, you want to add value to people who wants to learn the guitar. So let's say you want to talk about how to play the guitar. So the first step that you need to do is you just practically go to the search feature of YouTube and you type in that the idea that you have. So let's say how to play the guitar. So as you would notice, the search phrase or the phrases that you're seeing here in the drop down of the YouTube search is practically real search phrases that people are looking for. So the first strategy is, see where you can create a content based on this, because YouTube is practically telling you these are the keywords that people are searching for. So it doesn't make sense to avoid these search phrases. So this is the good starting point for you to determine what idea you wanna cover on your next video. So the next strategy is you can use a free tool like vidIQ. So there's vidiq.com. When you go to vidiq, you would have I think a 1 month free when you sign up, but I'm using the paid version. But if you're just starting, the free version is okay and it's enough for you. What I want to show you here is this SEO feature of vidIQ. So let's say we wanna check how to play the guitar on the SEO. And vidIQ would give us this data. So the data that you're seeing in your computer basically is search volume, search score, competition score. So the idea is you go to a lower number of competition. So it means, you know, you're not competing against tons of established YouTubers or content creators. And the search volume, you would probably want to, you know, start competing with something like from 1,000 to 100,000 or 1,000 to 10,000. But here we see that the How to Play the Guitar has a search volume, monthly volume, that 28,000 people are searching for it on a monthly basis on YouTube. So that's a good starting point for you. But how do you make it more competitive? After determining the search data is to make use of long tail keywords. What are long tail keywords? So for example, right now we have this idea, you know, how to play the guitar, but how you win on YouTube is when you become more specific. So let's say we go back here and see what other search queries are going on YouTube. Let's say how to play the guitar for beginners step by step. Okay? So practically there is a demand for this, so you can create a video based on how to play the guitar for beginners step by step. It's not just how to play the guitar. You aim to help the beginners, and you make it more specific by saying step by step. Okay, so this having a keyword title like this would ensure that you would reach the search page of YouTube. Okay, so one more thing to note here is you would notice that the content that's existing using that keyword, it's 7 years, 10 years, okay? 3 years, 5 years, 2 years ago. So there's a good chance, you know, that if you're gonna do that video today, you would have the newest video covering this YouTube video idea. So there's a good tendency that you would end up on the top search page of YouTube. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is when you create a new video, let's say we upload one. Okay, just for demonstration, I'm not gonna upload this anyway. Just to show you what's gonna happen here. The next strategy that you need to have is you need to make sure that, you know, if this is your keyword phrase, of course we need to start big letters, start of your word. The idea is, you know, whatever keywords you want to rank, make sure it's on your title, you know. So that is a must when you want to show up on the search page on YouTube. And again, this is just the YouTube upload tool in the YouTube Studio. This is not the beta version already. This is the YouTube Studio, the new ones that they rolled out. And make sure on the description you also have that keyword phrase. For example, you know, the way you write your description is not just watch my video, please subscribe. So you can practically say something like, you know, are you trying to learn how to play the guitar? This step-by-step lesson for beginners will help you learn your first song. So that's an example of how you include your keyword in your description. So make sure that you also include that set of keyword on your description. Okay, and then the next one is, of course, you need to create a catchy thumbnails. I'm just gonna show you my channel. So I'm pretty sure you can do better than this, but you know, just want to show you the thumbnails that I have on my channel. So yeah, these are the thumbnails. I started changing some of my thumbnails, my recent videos. So I'm gonna show you one video that is really ranked and went on the top page of YouTube search. So the idea is that your thumbnail should be catchy and that people would click, on that video when they see it on the search page or on the YouTube suggestion page. Okay. The next thing is you need to always check your analytics. So let's go to this one specific video. Okay, so
everyone, it's Wednesday once again.
Okay, so let's go to this one specific video here. So you would notice I uploaded this at the 29th of April, and it has 1,168 views. And I'm getting a lot of comments from people that I don't even know, and they're saying that the video actually helped them. So you can also watch this. So this is what I was talking about a while ago by using vidIQ. When you use vidIQ on your YouTube page, you would see that these are the tags that I use for these specific videos, and these are the rankings, So I'm ranking number 1 on that keyword, number 1 on this keyword, number 12 here, number 2 here, so another number 1 on that keyword. So this is your goal, to get the top page. Number 1 means it's providing you the estimate on where you would end up. So let's try right now. Okay, so let's try YouTube views not updating. Okay, YouTube views not updating. Okay, so here, see, I'm on the number 1 page. So this video actually is everything that I use here is what I'm talking about right now. So I started rolling this out. I think I have another one here, if I'm not mistaken. Start creating better content. See, I'm on the 3rd. I'm on the 4th on the search page. So this is also generating views for me. So the idea is, sharing your videos on your social channels is good, but this is the goal that you want to accomplish in your YouTube channel. We go here, if I click this video, you would see again this is the vidIQ Vision. You need to install vidIQ Vision on your Chrome so that you would get access to all of this data. So there, I have number 3 on this, and I would probably re-optimize this and see how I can still rank the other keywords here. So when we go to that other video that I was showing you a while ago, we go back to that video, the one where I'm on the top page. As part of your strategy is to always look at your analytics. When you look at my analytics for this video, you would notice I uploaded this in May, but in the last 48 hours, there's still 108 people watching this video, and see there's a spike here, just lunchtime. And this is a video that I uploaded a month ago. It's another thing that you need to look at. In my YouTube search, this is the main source of my views. So that's the goal, external pages is 1.9 because I'm not sharing this anymore. So you would see that in your analytics. And in my suggested videos, it's 11.1. It's the second source of my views and my traffic. So lastly, since you have access to this analytics, it makes sense that you always go through it and see how you can optimize it, and look at your channel traffic source and how you perform. This video has a high click-through rate of 11.8%. It means I have 890 views, so it was viewed 890 times in the 7,500 times that it showed up on people's search. Okay, so these are information that you can regularly check and improve so that you can start re-optimizing your video. So even if you have done your videos like few months ago, you can still change the thumbnails, change the titles, and change the description. You can always just go here in the details and yeah, change this. Okay, so you are probably mind blown by now and you don't know where to start, but the key here is to be consistent and put in more effort in your YouTube strategy. If you're used to filming and uploading without researching and analyzing your information, then you might find it hard to reach the YouTube search page. So if you need help in figuring out what sort of topic you would cover on your YouTube channel, please make sure to watch the video that you see on the screen. And if you're getting any value out of this video, please don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell button so you won't miss out on future videos like this, because I post weekly videos covering tips, techniques, and tools to help you grow your business through videos. So it's time to get to work and it's your time to grow. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on my next videos.